Yeah, hello everybody, and welcome to the digital pick note demo. Okay, so I've got an order on screen. I put obviously 15-inch wheels, 17-inch wheels, so one of those it's allocated one, 17-inch wheels it's allocated four of those, and obviously the allocation is what we pick. Now, in a normal, paper pick note environment, you can either print in a batch, or if I just print it for this one order so you can see it. Yeah, this is how a normal paper pick note would come out. Yeah, so it would have go to location one, pick four of those, go to location A1, pick two of those, and that's a kind of manual pick note, goes out there, gets picked, go to the packing station, yeah, and then complete the packing and processing. Okay, but let's just come out of there and see how this is represented as a digital pick note. Okay, so save and close on that. So we go to inventory. We have a dashboard for the warehouse per the picker. Yeah, so instead of picking up the paper pick note, they have this on a Surface device or similar, or a Zebra 51 device, and literally they could just have pick next order on their dashboard. Yeah, which gets the next one. Yeah, the oldest one in the list that's out fully allocated, or whatever preferences you've got. But if I just go to order picking, this allows me, yeah, to pick multiple orders at in one go. Yeah, or it also allows me to specify how much weight and volume I can take on my trolley, yeah, or pallet truck or whatever. Yeah, and then if I click on auto select, it will select from the top down to pick the most orders it can. So for example, if you look at this here, my maximum weight I can take is 10 kilos. So it knows that this order here is 2 kilos, that one's 2 kilos, and that's 6. So if I click auto select, it'll take all three of those, and so we could pick all three of those together, bring them back to the packing area, split them up, yeah, and obviously process them separately. Right, so but I'm just going to go down here because I'm just going to use that order that we had there. So 348, that was our order, yeah, that we just looked at from a sales order point of view and a paper pick note point of view. So this is it represented on the screen of the tablet device on the trolley, yeah, and the first thing it's asking me for is, yeah, go to location one. Yeah, and that's optional. Yeah, so I can actually set it so I have to scan the location one. Yeah, before I can actually proceed. Yeah, or I can just, say, I've got to go to location one to pick four of these 17-inch wheels. And the first thing it's asking me to do is scan it. Yeah, so if I scan the UPC code, yeah, it'll then say, right, one picked. Yeah, three left to pick. And it may be that you just want to scan them all. Yeah, no problem. So I scan another one. Great, no problem. Yeah, if I scan the wrong one, it obviously tells me. Yeah, it's because I need to scan the right one. I can also use this +1 and -1 arrow, and I can also click this button or put my finger on this button on the Surface device to quantity picked equals quantity allocated to save me having to scan the lot. So it may be that you scan one to make sure you got the right item, and then you just count another three off. Yeah, so if you kind of click on that, yeah, it'll automatically put four, yeah, as picked. Yeah, now we're on to now it's saying go to right location A1. Yeah, okay, now scan the two of these 19-inch SVAJ monitors. So I'm going to scan one of them, and I'll scan the other one. Yeah, now it's saying go to location A2, scan me one of those 15-inch wheels. Yeah, and I can just say +1. Yeah, and on the 20, now go to location A3. Yeah, pick one of those 20-inch Super BJ monitors, and I can just click that or or scan it. Okay, so that's kind of like we're now have confirmed that we've picked those. Yeah, and we could just save and close. Yeah, and then put the goods near the packing station. Yeah, and do what we would do with a paper pick note and process via the packing station. Yeah, and if you have separate pickers to packers, that's probably how you'd work. Yeah, but if you kind of wanted to bring this back to the packing area and process it yourself, you could still do that, save and close, and then just open it up on the packing PC. Yeah, but what you could also do is go into packing mode on this, and packing mode is particularly good if you're picking multiple orders at the same time. So they'd all be listed here now by order. Yeah, and then you can actually you can scan them all again to make sure you've got the right ones. Scan them out the box into the packing box. Yeah, you don't have to do that, of course, but if you do, then you can just say, yep, yeah, Pat, I've got that one. Yeah, got two of those, or you can just scan them individually. It's up to you. Yeah, and then you can, if you want to, you can actually process from here, confirm the weight, maybe weigh them all. You're supposed to put weights into the system for the items, so what it's saying, it's adding those up and saying it should be 4 kilos. And this is where we can confirm a number of boxes, and obviously the delivery method. Now it's up to me. I can click the same thing as going into the packing station, putting the item in and confirming the stuff. On the packing station, I can also do in this interface here by clicking this button, process via the packing station. And open it. All it does is just do exactly the same thing. Maybe print a carrier label, print the delivery label, or print the delivery note. Whatever you set up around that delivery method. So if you said standard delivery charge, that always gets a DPD label, a delivery note, and that's it. Or it might be an own delivery, if it's local. Right, we want a label and we want the delivery note and want it sent to TrackPod or Max Optra or whatever. So that's kind of like the basic picking. So if I kind of just come out of here and cancel pick on that. So if I'm going to pick 2 orders at once, I'll pick on these 3 orders there. Okay, and say okay. So what you'll see now is there's more items in here. But if I go into packing mode, it then groups them by order, so I can actually process them by the actual sales order. Okay, thanks very much.